Hey, ladies and gentle turds, what's going on? So today, I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Obsidian. So this is how you can get icons and the title and everything, the link that you need for setting up your studies or a compilation of studies. And I'm going to teach you how to do it really quick, but you need one thing, and that is link embed. See, this plugin allows you to convert URLs in your notes into embedded previews. This is how it looks. See, but I'm going to show you how to edit them because it doesn't always work. So one of the things I had to do was I had to change primary parser to JSON link and then secondary parser to local, and always replace selection with embed. Those are the options that I ticked. And also the pop-up menu, I use that as well. And then so you copy a link, and then all you have to do, so let me open a link and I'll show you. So hit Control E to go into my edit mode. Then I can hit Control P for the thing, and then all I have to do is type in link, and it's the first thing. And then bam. But then there's no icon. So how do you get the icon and the name? So the first thing you can do is go to the website, right click the image, copy the image link. Now that you have the image link, click this, which is the code header, and then the image right here. See how it has there's no link. It couldn't find a link. So then just paste the link. So I think you need to get rid of this. There we go. See? Got the image. Very simple. You have to obviously you have to edit like like the extra symbol, so it's just the link under the commas and nothing at the end of the link that's besides the commas. All right, and then you can change the description yourself. You can change the title. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the title of this article, and then I'm just going to go here and then Control V, and then replace. For some reason it added that in there, and then Control E. There you go. That's how you add and fix embedded links. This is my first Obsidian tutorial. I'm still learning myself. It's very complicated. With OneNote, for the average person, I recommend OneNote because you can literally just copy the link, paste it. It does everything for you. Like, it never fails at all, ever. It never fails to grab a link. You never have to edit things. You can just move these around as you want. It's so simple, but with Obsidian, for some reason, they're quite outdated, and they really need to fix their stuff because I shouldn't need an add-on just to do this. It's in OneNote, it's in Evernote, it's in virtually every single note-taking app. I think even in Google Keep has it, and like very few people use Google Keep, but even it has it, you know. And so they really need to update and add mainstream some of these features. That's ridiculous. But anyways, that's how you add and fix these links. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment for more tutorials and gaming stuff.